I'll be showing you how to make this hummingbird by Jesse Barr. Start with the white side up and fold the diagonals. Next, take this edge and fold it to the center line, but don't crease all the way. Just make a little mark at the corner right here. And then take this point and fold it to the center. And again, don't crease all the way, just on the edge. And then now, where there's two creases we just made, we're going to fold it so they touch. And then make sure this is lined up with the center. Unfold that, and then fold the tip to that crease we just made. Fold these in. The crease should start right there. And all the way up. Unfold that and do the same thing on the other side. Unfold that and this, flip the paper over. Now we're going to take this edge and fold it to the center. Only crease up until you hit that line. Repeat on the other side. Now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this crease. And again, don't crease all the way, just up until you hit this line. Same thing on the other side. Now you should see an intersection right about here. You're going to take the tip and fold it up to there. Next, we're going to use these creases that we made over here. We're going to kind of push this under while you're pushing this down. And then you're going to fold it so it's flat. And it'll look like that. Same thing on the other side. Now you're going to flip it over and fold this on the center crease. Then fold the tip up to meet the other tip. Then you're going to fold this flap down so it lines up with this. you're going to unfold those last two creases, flip the paper over, and now there should be a crease going all the way along here. We're going to make that into a mountain fold and then pleat it. It should go to the center and repeat on the other side. Next, we're going to fold down on this crease right here. Going to flip it over, and then you're just going to kind of pleat this. So the flap that was down here, you're just going to flip back up. Then you're going to flip that down. And then now you're going to make a crease here. And here. It should go through all of the layers. It'll be thick. So it doesn't really matter how you make those creases. This is how I like to do it. Then you unfold. You flip that part up. You pull that apart. And then you fold this back down. And then now, on the top, you should just kind of be able to push down, and then you get this square here. You can just push shut, and then you're just going to push that around like that. Then repeat on the other side. Push down. Now, on this side, you're going to fold these flaps outwards. And then this, fold it as far down as you can. And then take it and tuck it under this flap. So flip the model over and fold this down along the already existing crease line. Now we're going to do kind of what we did earlier. We're going to fold this edge to this edge, but only crease about halfway, or a little bit more than halfway, I guess, till right there. And then on the other side, you're going to kind of push it down. Should look like that on this side. And then once you get it all flattened, it'll look like that. And repeat on the other side. Flip it over. You're going to take this center and then you're going to fold it out so it aligns with that right here. Then you're not going to crease all the way, only as far as it'll go while it stays flat. Repeat on the other side. and then you should just kind of be able to push this part down, and it'll go flat like that. Now, over here, there'll be a layer that you can pull out and then wrap around this side. So over here, pulling it out, and then wrapping it around the front. Next, you're going to flip it over. Actually, no, keep it here. You fold it in half, and then you flip this up as far as it will go. Same with the other side. Now over here, you're going to kind of push down on that. So you'll see that you should just easily be able to make a fold right there. And then the paper goes all the way through. And then you're going to pull on this until these edges line up. And then you're going to crease. And then right here, fold that up. Flip it over. And do the same thing. So push down on here. And then swivel it until the edges line up. Now you're going to start to crease this corner right here, and then you're going to have this tip line up with this crease. Going to unfold, and then outside reverse fold on there, on that last crease you just made. Just look like this. Now, pull the layer out from inside and wrap it around on the outside. Should look like that. Flip it over, do the same thing. Now you're going to do another outside reverse fold, and it's going to be along right here. You just flatten down the head. Hopefully yours will be neater than mine. Take the beak, fold it in about that far, and then back out. Now unfold and redo those pleats, but on the inside. Should look like that. Now open up the head. Then on the beak, fold the edges to the center to narrow it, and then on the end you'll have to do a squash fold. and fold it back in half. Now you have the beak done. And then now all you have left is the wings. So I'm going to fold the wing down. I'm going to fold this edge right here to this edge. Start in the corner. And then now the rest of the creases are going to originate from this point right here, where this end of the crease is. So you're going to now fold down, starting with that point, and then you're going to line up this edge with the layer right under it. You're going to unfold. Now you're going to fold the edge to that fold you just made. Now you're going to fold the edge to that crease. And then now you're going to crease from right there to right there. Not all the way at the corner, but a little bit before. Now with each of these creases, you're going to make a little plate. Like that. And then make sure you're not pleating this layer too. This is separate. So just continue plating until you've done all of the creases. And then this part will just kind of fold up so then the wing can go flat after you've made your pleats. So there'll be a little bit of white showing. And then on the tip of the wing, you're just going to kind of push it forwards a little bit. So it should look like that. And that's how you do the wing. So just repeat on the other side, and then you're done.